Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the SD card reader type and checking the card's label. This determines orientation and connector compatibility. Once done, make sure the host device is ready. Some laptops allow hot plugging, others prefer powered-down insertion to avoid file system damage. Notice the card's notch and metal contacts. These cues tell you which side faces the slot. Gently align the card with the slot entrance so you don't. Now you insert the card, holding it by the edges to prevent oils on contacts and to avoid bending. Slide the card straight in, do not angle, so the contacts meet the reader's pins evenly. You'll feel a soft click or slight stop when it's seated. If you're using a micro SD and an adapter, make sure the micro SD is pushed fully flush inside the adapter before inserting the adapter into the reader. Keep movement steady. Wiggling risks misalignment and read failures. Finally, confirm the system recognizes the card by opening your file manager or disk utility. Some readers show an LED or mount notification. When finished, use the operating system's safe eject or unmount command. This prevents corruption. Then remove the card after the confirmation. If the card isn't detected, try reinserting, test a different reader or port, and inspect both contacts for dust or corrosion. Cleaning with compressed air or a soft eraser can help, but avoid liquids and excessive rubbing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.